This is moi heading out, handbag in hand, and hold on, one more bag. Here it is, my dinner. So, who's ready? Your girl is off to work.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Taylor kissing you. Thank you. Here's
I have credit.
you want crepe? Okay.
Excuse me.
Okay, you guys, we have to get ready for school. Tyler, you have to get ready for school. Your love on your sister after. Can you guys say good morning to the faves? Say good morning.
Morning.
Sarah, say morning.
Morning.
Come, Tyler, here. Mama gonna make you a crepe?
Yeah.
Okay.
Caca.
Tyler, eat up. We need to go.
I'm here.
Yes, I'm warming it for you.
Mama, can you share?
Wait, I'm gonna give you one. Yours coming. I'm warming it for you.
Oh, j'ai un truc dans l'œil. Please, again. High five.
She don't like when you do that.
High five. Ah, j'ai un truc dans l'œil. High five. Hey, high five. Ooh, high five.
Tyler, eat.
High five.
Here. Eat. So, Tyler, let her eat, please. Come, Sarah, eat up. We have to go get ready for school. Hi babes, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new beautiful day here. It's a little bit cloudy outside, but it's bright and early in the morning. I got up this morning and I was determined to get my workout in, and I did just that, so I'll share that with you in a bit what I did. And then I got the kids ready and I'm about to head out to drop them to school. Today is the big day for me. Today is my very first day at work and I am on the afternoon shift today. My shift each day varies, so I'm not on the same shift every day for the week, and my day offs also varies. So today I am on the afternoon shift, so I'll be home for the morning. So I have to make dinner, get everybody dinner ready, get into this new routine that I have in my head that will work for the family. And yeah, it's just gonna be a new day, a new start, new beginnings, new adventures, new learnings that everybody will just have to adjust to and get used to. So right now I am going to bring the kids to school, get back and make dinner, get a little nap in, and then it will be time for me to have lunch and head out to work. So I'll try and carry you through as much of the day as possible because this is a very important day for me and I need to document this journey. So yeah, Stick and stay, and I'll see you guys throughout the rest of the vlog. Whatever it is that I'll get to show you guys, I'll be honored to share that with you. So subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, catch up and keep up, and I'll see you guys throughout the rest of today. School drop off is done. School drop off is done. I didn't even get to show you guys the kids before I leave out. I completely forget to show them to you. I mean, you guys saw them briefly while they were about to have breakfast, but you guys didn't see them after they got ready. But that's okay. I am back and jump right into the kitchen, right into dinner. Yup. Because I got to do that before I go. So that when my husband gets home and the kids don't have to worry about cooking or what they don't eat. So I cook and I'll share everybody's plate so that when babe gets home, he just put it in the microwave and everybody is happy. Right? So today for dinner, and I need also my dinner to carry to work with me, because dinner hour, I'll still be at work. I'll still have a few hours to go. So I am making some zucchini and mushroom, but the kids are not a fan of zucchini and they're not a fan of mushroom. So I have some broccoli left over in the fridge, which I'm gonna give that to them with theirs. And I'm making some pasta and roast chicken. So that's what dinner's gonna be. You guys, my job here is done. Mel dinner to go, Sarah dinner when she get home, Papa dinner when he get home, Tyler dinner when he gets home. Voila, everybody will be happy. Hi guys. I almost leave out without telling you guys that I'm leaving. I am all ready and I want to show you guys my outfit that I will be working in. So hey, welcome the newest, should I tell you guys my position? Yes, okay, welcome to the newest receptionist on the block. Hey, hey. Anyway you guys, so this is my outfit of the day. Let me show you. So my uniform is basically full black, so it's all black everything. I'm gonna try and catch the full outfit. See if you guys can see me. Hey, hey. And you guys see another shoes here in the background. That's a flat shoes because this one have heel and this one don't. So I am going to carry this one also, just in case, just to see how busy my day will be and if I'll be okay in the one with the heel for the rest of the day, or I'll need to switch over to the flat one. So this is moi heading out, handbag in hand, and hold on, one more bag. Here it is, my dinner. So who's ready? Your girl is off to work. I'm so ready, and I have 20 minutes before I jump on the bus, so I'm gonna leave you guys here and make sure I have everything before I head out. So love you guys, and I don't know if we will get to vlog when he comes home, but the camera will be here at home. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Hopefully when I get back home. I don't know if I'll get to give you guys an update on how my day went, but if I don't get to give you guys an update when I get back home, I'll be sure to put it when I'm editing this vlog, so you guys will still get the update either way. So anyway, love you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Cheers to my first day off to work.
Hey guys, everybody, Sarah, say hi guys.
Hi.
Wagwan.
Wagwan.
Hey guys, we home Thursday at work, so home duty started today. I went for these two wonderful kids. I got Sarah at 6 p.m. and we went to the park, but outside is gray, and the park was almost empty, so Sarah didn't really enjoy it and she wanted to go after 30 minutes, so yeah. And this boy, we went for him after judo. So we pick him up and we pick him up, we're now home, and we're doing what we gonna call a routine. So I'm trying to keep the same routine than usually. It's not because baby's at work that I'm gonna change things. So yeah, she make everybody dinner, she makes sure that everybody have dinner before she moved. So yeah, we're here. We're just trying to make everything alright in daddy father mood, so yeah, but somebody have to do it, and that would be my pleasure. So yeah, gotta go because these kids, once you not looking at them, they're gonna run.
Hi guys, I'm back and I made it through the day. You guys, I'm back home looking fresh like I'm just leaving home to go to work. My day was amazing. Information overload. I feel the headache coming on, but it was good. I love every bit of it. Anyway, it's after midnight and I am just getting home. I'm just coming on to say, hey girl, hey. Anyways, yeah, so my first day was amazing, and I hope all the rest of the days will continue to be amazing. I felt right in my niche. I felt so comfortable. I felt at home. I feel challenged, but I am ready for a good challenge. Anyway, I'm excited for this journey to continue. And I don't know if I told you guys, this is a short-term contract, so it's only for 6 months, but nonetheless I'm excited for the next 6 months. If I continue like this for the next 6 months, honey child, I'm ready. I'll be boss by 6 months over. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna go to bed, really take this makeup off, and I'm gonna jump right in my bed. I'm not even gonna eat anything. Thank God I bring my dinner. And I'm back to my babies. As I got in the house, guess what I did as I got in the house? Tell them what I did as I got in the house. As I got in the house, I went to my kids' room. I went to see Tyler first, and then I went right to see Sarah. Sarah was like this. Tyler was like, Ma. And then he go boom. He make sure he tell his papa, make sure when mama reach home, tell her to come and kiss me. Anyway, guys, my first day was good, and I'm happy to announce that. So see you guys later.